Ever feel like you're running out of content to post on social media? It's a common struggle, isn't it? Trying to maintain a fresh, engaging stream of content can feel like an uphill battle. In the vast digital landscape of today, keeping an active online presence is not just important, it's essential. Yet the constant demand for new material can be overwhelming. But what if there was a way to keep posting without constantly having to create new content? Introducing the art of repurposing content, a method as efficient as the Kardashians are at recycling boyfriends. The secret to keeping your social media channels buzzing lies in 3 simple steps. First, identify your most popular posts. These are the golden nuggets of content that your audience has already shown love for. They're the posts that spark conversations, ignite emotions, and maybe even cause a little controversy. Next, find new angles or formats for these posts. Think about how you can reframe the original message to make it fresh and engaging. Can a blog post be turned into a series of tweets or an infographic? Could a video be repurposed into a podcast or a blog post? The possibilities are endless. Finally, schedule and post your repurposed content. Keep the momentum going and your audience engaged with a consistent stream of content they love. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to keep your social media channels active. So what have we learned today? Keeping up with consistent posting can be challenging. However, maintaining an active online presence is crucial in this digital age. The real game changer? Repurposing content. It's not just about reposting the same content, but creatively tweaking it to present a fresh perspective. This approach not only saves time, but also ensures your online presence stays engaging. Remember, repurposing content is not about being lazy, it's about being smart and efficient. So start recycling your content as cleverly as the Kardashians recycle their boyfriends.